on dashboards and pinboard migration, starting 6.9, the new Aria Networks homepage now enables you to create, view, and manage dashboards for your setup. So the homepage now consists of the default dashboards as well as the custom dashboards as seen in the screenshot here. So the default dashboards are the system-defined dashboards, which includes the Get Started page, providing a high-level overview of what is happening in your entire data center. So this dashboard also contains several widgets like the performance widgets, the health widget, indicating the health of the platform VMs, collector VMs, and the capacity, the infrastructure alerts, insights, anomalies, and useful quick links like exploring the network map or managing applications and so on. So default dashboard list also includes the Kubernetes dashboard and the SD-WAN dashboard. And along with this, we also can create custom dashboards, which basically replaces the existing Pinboard implementation. So users can now create new custom dashboards in place of Pinboards. And we will get into details as we go over the demo. And here we will talk about the reason for migrating from Pinboards to custom dashboards. Now, advantages of moving to dashboards is that they are more powerful. You now have access to the widget library. You can see on the right, categorized into network, virtual, infrastructure, and health widgets. And you can easily drag and drop them from the widget library while creating or updating any dashboards. So right now we have like 14 out-of-the-box widgets in the widget library, but the list will grow with future releases. So we will have more widgets to pick from the list. And along with this, we can also pin any widgets to the dashboard, which we build using the custom search queries. So the same workflow of pinning how we used to do with Pinboards. Another advantage is that the custom dashboards support dynamic rendering of data. Like, for example, a top talker widget, which has been pinned to a custom dashboard with a custom time period interval, say Jan 18 to Jan 20, then it will always render the data for that same time interval. So custom dashboards will guarantee you the time range based on the pinned time range. So with that, let me get into the demo. So this is the new homepage, which lists the default dashboards as well as the custom dashboards. So the default dashboard consists the get started page, providing the high level overview of the entire data center. And you have the performance widgets, infra widgets, alert widgets, environment widgets, giving a quick overview of your setup. And then this default dashboards also includes Kubernetes dashboard, showing the health of your Kubernetes environment, as well as SD-WAN, showing the overall deployment status of your SD-WAN environment. And apart from that, we also have a couple of custom dashboards that we have created. Now this one is application-specific dashboard that we have created. So under more, you can manage all your dashboards through the manage dashboard list. This will help you to choose the dashboards you want to view upfront on the home page. So example, instead of get started, I want to see my application dashboard. So I can just drag it here and say, suppose I don't want to show the Kubernetes dashboard. I don't want to show SD-WAN dashboards. I can just remove them, or I can just add them back. And you can just filter out the order based on your convenience. So you can do it through the manage dashboard list here. And right now you can set up to 5 dashboards in the user view. There are 2 ways of creating a custom dashboard. One is by clicking on the create new dashboard button. So once you click on this, it will take you to the widget library, which are currently categorized. Here you can see based on networks, you can categorize based on the virtual infrastructure, and then you can easily drag and drop these widgets to create the dashboard. So you can move them to align properly. So this is one way of creating a dashboard. And another way of creating them is with the pinning flow. You just have to pin here, and then you can either assign it to the existing dashboard or just click on create new dashboard to build a new dashboard as per your convenience. And you can edit a custom dashboard by clicking on the edit option here. You can just go to the dashboard here and then click on edit. And this will take you to the edit option. And then you can if say, suppose you don't want this widget, you can just cancel this widget, delete this widget. Or if you want to drag and drop, you can just drag and drop the widget from the library and update your dashboard. And along with edit option, you also have option to duplicate the dashboard, or you can also share, which is a similar capability that you have seen in Pinboard as well, where you can just assign the group or the user, set the right permissions, whether view only or edit, and then you can share the link to the respective teams for sharing the dashboard. And you can also delete, if you want to delete the dashboard, and you can download it as a PDF as well. And for the system default dashboards, you can create a duplicate out of it or just download as a PDF. And you can get a complete list of all the dashboards by going on the dashboard and all dashboards. So here you'll see all the dashboards that you have created. And if you want to see the other users dashboard, then you can just click on all dashboard link, which will take you to all the dashboards that have been created by other users. So this is pretty much demo on dashboards.